Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 asks you to prove a 90-degree angle. It says a rectangular addition to a backyard patio has been framed out to pour concrete. The dimensions of the addition are 24 feet by 7 feet. The two diagonals have been measured to be 25 feet. Prove that this frame is square, meaning the four corners of the rectangle are 90-degree angles. And so we're going to draw a diagram. We have a rectangular addition to the patio, and we know that the length is 24 and the width is 7, and we've measured out the two diagonals in the addition to be 25. And so what we have to do is prove that this is actually a right triangle. And we can do that by using the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if we take 24 and square it and add that to 7 squared, that should equal 25 squared. And if that's true, that will prove that we have a right angle in each of the four corners, and our frame will be considered square. So 24 squared means 24 times 24, which is 576. And 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49, equals 25 squared is 25 times 25, which is 625. So all I have to do is add together 576 and 49, and hopefully I get 625, which I do. 576 plus 49 is 625. And that's what I need it to be equal to. So since they are equal, the frame is going to be considered square, meaning the four corners have 90-degree angles.